แปรงฟันก็ยังฝึกอังกฤษได้ฝึกออกเสียงไปกับครูจุน It's time to brush your teeth. It's time to brush your teeth. Turn on the tap. Turn on the tap. Turn off the tap. Turn off the tap. Fill the cup with water. Fill the cup with water. Rinse your mouth with water. Rinse your mouth with water. Put toothpaste on your toothbrush. Put toothpaste on your toothbrush. Brush your top and bottom teeth. Brush your top and bottom teeth. Brush the back of your teeth. Brush the back of your teeth. Brush your teeth up and down and side to side. Brush your teeth up and down and side to side. Don't forget to brush your tongue. Don't forget to brush your tongue. Spit your toothpaste and rinse your mouth with water. Spit your toothpaste and rinse your mouth with water. นำไปฝึกฝนกันด้วยนะคะ หากมีข้อสงสัยอะไรก็สอบถามครูจุนได้เสมอเลยแล้วเจอกันค่ะ Active Education Inspire your learning journey